So I'm just pressing right clicking on start and then callbacks, go to callbacks menu. Yeah, here. Here, since see I defined my image in a variable img, I'm going to use that img in another function. If I supposed to do that, I should define that variable as a global variable. Until if you want to use same variable in any other function, if you want to call, we know that to be defined as a global. So global, my variable name is img. Yes. Okay. Now here I can give whatever name I want. A equal to img2, image2, img2 equal to RGB2, automatically it is showing RGB2 gray of img, my original image. Okay, so now my colored image or RGB image, now it is, we know that it is stored in img variable. I'm converting that into a grayscale and then I'm storing the data in img2. Or if you want to give some other name, you can give image2 for my understanding. I'm just typing it as img2. Now I'm going to display it, imshow. So what I supposed to write here, img2 comma parent, the syntax actually, comma app dot, in second axis I decided to store it, but it is showing app.ui axis 1. Here I'm having a tag name as axis 2, so I'm just going to change it as 2. Okay, just change it as 2. Yes, in the function 2, what I have done, I defined since variable name, my original image is there in img, so that I defined it as global img, and then I converted that into grayscale and then stored in img2 variable, and I'm going to display that using imshow function. So this is how you can do this. I'm just going to run it. Before that, we need to save it, I guess. So see, even if you are not saving, when you are running it, automatically it asks for the name. So I'm just going to save it, image processing. Yeah, so you could see image processing toolbox. I'm going to browse image. So under experiments, I had already stored an image with the name Earth. Yeah, you could see here x-axis, y-axis. If you want to delete, you can delete that even. You feel like you don't want to see XY name. Okay, and if I press start button, yeah, you could see grayscale image. Original image, grayscale image. So from this experiment, what you can learn is how we can load an image and then you can apply the image processing techniques, whatever is required for your application. Okay, this program is for offline, means already I downloaded the image. For suppose I want to do it online, I mean in the sense live image I want to acquire. What I